Hey guys, I hope this is recording. It probably is. Definitely is. I'm very sorry, actually. So basically what happened is it said that I didn't have any storage left, but I had about 3 hours left. If I do actually ever run out of storage, then I can just switch to my SD card, which I believe has 16 hours on it. Of course, I delete my videos right after I publish them, or upload, whatever you want to call it. I don't really need, I don't know how I would run out, unless I was making videos while I didn't have, I don't know. Yeah, I guess if I didn't have Wi-Fi or internet while I was recording, then that would be bad. I also figured out how to get rid of the watermark and the air circle thing. You just go on clean mode, so whenever it's recording, there's nothing. So it's all good. I'll just edit out, whatever. Yeah, so I'm very close to being done right after this. All I have to fit in is this part, which is actually 5 block deep at 1 block. This is gonna be bad. Okay. Can't believe that my brother isn't gonna help me. I'm probably gonna have to terraform after this. Well, definitely. Because I have to make it look like there's not just a wall of dirt like that. That kind of looks stupid. I would have to make it look like there's a mound or something that it's on. That way it's not. Oh. I have to go. Okay, here. Wonder how much I have to fill in. Okay. Honestly, though, we are so close to being done. But this is just like the first part. The next part is going to take us the longest, probably, because we have to build the entire spawn area, which is going to be huge if you think about it, because we have to. I definitely need admins to come on. Nobody has seen the video about the server yet. But if you saw the first video, then yeah, hopefully you are gonna join as an admin. Of course, this is only like 5 minutes after I uploaded that other video, or the first part of me building this, because the only reason I stopped is because it said insufficient storage. But it's fine though, because I'm doing this again. And if you did see that, hopefully you know that I need admins. Of course, nobody has seen it yet, so I can't be saying that. I'm not really surprised that no one has seen it, because obviously I only have 8 subscribers, I believe. think 5 of those are my friends and 3 of them are random people. By the way, guys, I had a few videos before this. I don't know why I deleted some of them. I had like a Clash Royale thing on there, and those were pretty good. I also deleted my most viewed video, which was stupid as crap. The video was, it was a pie face challenge. If you know what those are, that was back in 2016, so long ago. Totally not just 4 months, which is actually quite long now that I think of it. 4 months is like 12 weeks. Well, duh. There's 3.5 weeks in every month, so it would actually be 14 weeks. 14 weeks. I'm pretty sure there's 3.5 weeks in every month, though. I don't know. Because there's 31 and then 20. Yeah, so there's 3.5. Wait, no. More than 3. There's 31 days and it's 4.5, right? Oh. Well, I just finished, I guess. Oh, oops. Did not mean to break that. That's 4 weeks and 4.5 weeks, because if you think about it, 4 times 7 is 28 and whatnot. So, yeah. Okay, that's cool. Okay, finally flatten this entire area out. I think I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll be back with an unlimited world, and then we can start going on the actual thing. I feel like. So it was out this way where the boundary was, I'm pretty sure. Can't remember. Actually, before I do leave, I'm gonna, or not leave, but like pause the video. I'm gonna terraform this a little bit. Stop believing. I'm being very silent right now. I just realized that. Do any of you guys know how to terraform? Because I'm kind of good at it. I'm not like 100% sure. I'm kind of good at it. But like, I'm pretty sure I'm kind of good at it. I don't know, like, because I would have to go like that. And that's, yeah, that's probably fine. Just gonna, like that. Gonna make this all look better. I'm gonna go around and make it all look better. If I'm not actually good at terraforming, please tell me. I haven't like watched any sort of tutorial or anything. I just try to make something look as natural as I can make it look. And of course, I might not be good at making it look supernatural. But I can try. That does not look really good right here. That actually looks horrible. This part, I want to go like that. Kind of just want to go, like, turn it around, kind of. Yeah, that's better now. Oops. And just fill that in like that. Get this, get that, go like that. Okay, this does not look very natural. I'm gonna need to add a little divot in here as well. So I'm gonna go real quick. I'm very slow at terraforming, so. Oh, actually, I didn't even need to do that. Right, go like that. Go like that. Then we go over here. And go kind of like that. No, that's not right. This should be right here. And this shouldn't be like that. Okay. Just trying to make it look good. Still have a little bit to go. Okay. So, a few of these places are going to be really long. I'm trying to think of what I should talk about while I'm doing this. Oh, I can't think. I want to go like that, kind of. Just a part. Right there. And keep this area like that. And I want to probably, if I'm thinking straight, I'm gonna make an area like that. And then make that like that. And just that area right there. Okay. That's that side done. Of course, this needs to be lowered. And let's just lower this real quick. Just a little bit. I guess I could just back it up like like this. Like that, kind of. Okay. Now that's done, let's go this way. Nothing. Nothing. This should be interesting. Well, I actually have a pretty good idea of what I should do for this. I'm just gonna, for now, do it like that. I'm actually gonna go right like that, cover that part up, do a data thing. This seems unnatural, so I'm gonna kind of like that. Okay. Okay, here, and then right after this I'll be back, because this won't take very long. I'm just gonna do a solid line across, and then right here, I'm gonna not do anything except for that. And I'm gonna go another solid line. Of course, it's not gonna be just solid line. I'm gonna add on some stuff. Okay. Now, I kind of want to go okay. That seems right. This does not seem right. I want to go. No. I'm gonna go one right there, one right there. Don't have to do it right there. So, oh, that just does not seem like. Yeah, that is okay. That's fine. Okay, I'll be back in a while. Yeah.